Let's try Samyang Hot Pepper Jjambbong Ramen. Dude, I'm so excited that we finally have these in North America. Welcome back to Caesar's MSG Mondays. We're trying some spicy jjambbong soup ramen. I'm super excited for these ones. I told you I've been a real big fan of this hot pepper brand from Samyang. Last week the jjajang one was super spicy. I wonder if this one's going to be on the same level. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try. So we have our noodles here. This is our noodle block. We've got our stock here, our broth, our flakes, and of course that capsicum oil, which is going to be super spicy. Bring 500 milliliters of water to a boil. Add in your noodles, cook for 4 minutes. Add your stock. We're now going to add our flakes. I know we added it after, it's a little bit different. And add your hot oil here. Give it a nice thorough mix. And let's see if this brings the heat. So this finished product, let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh man, this might be a new favorite. This is freaking delicious. And now I'm really feeling that heat too. Okay, so jjambbong is a seafood soup noodle, Korean noodle soup. And it's usually like with a bunch of stir-fried ingredients traditionally, and a bunch of like a chock-full of seafood in there. This is an instant version, which I really think they did a great job with the broth. It really has a nice shellfish kind of note to it. Like I really get some mussels, some clams, like shellfish is the main flavor that I'm really getting in this broth. Along with, of course, your fiery hot red Samyang spicy soup base, which I really love. It's very savory, so something I personally really enjoy. Talking about that hot heat, again, this is like a good solid medium spice. You got a lot of that fire on the tip of my tongue and spreading as I'm talking. So I love the heat. It's a little bit painful. For you mild lovers out there, this will probably be extra hot for you, so just be careful with that. The noodles here are nice and thick. Not as thick as a jjajang style, but very nice and thick that is like super slurpable, holds up well to the soup. Nice and perfectly al dente. Got a nice bit of resistance there. Good chew. I really enjoy these. The flakes, again, were a bit of like another afterthought. It's just a bit of green onion on there. I really would have loved to see some cabbage in this one, just because in a regular jjambbong there is usually tons of stir-fried cabbage that goes into that broth. So I feel like they really missed that, because I really think that this could have used and benefited from that sweetness from the cabbage to really balance it out a bit more. All in all, I really enjoyed these noodles. It might be a new favorite of mine. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 4.5 out of 5. If I ever see this in the stores again, I'm definitely gonna be buying this one. And you should too. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any videos that are coming out. We'll see you right next week. Bye!